my medal.
I have a lollipop with a funny
Dang,
face.
who's got the medal? What else did you have? Did you get some? Okay.
Also for you.
Get some trophy, you mean?
Uh-huh.
Why did they not give?
They didn't give anything to anyone today?
They didn't give the trophy. Only the one with candy inside. But they only had 3 ones with candy inside.
Who got it? Who got it?
2 boys and 1 girl.
So 2 boys and 1 girl get the trophy
With the candy.
with the candy inside.
Yeah, because they only had 3 of them.
We have a visitor. Yeah. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. I hope this one are good, honey. This one's looks good. Look good. But let's see. So many. Chong chong.
Just training. Starting Sunday.
Oh, this one is big. Dude, this one is big, honey.
Huh? Strong?
Yeah, here. That one.
Oh yeah.
Really big. And this one is damaged. See?
Yeah.
What I harvested from my potato here. Cool. Look how many. Nice. That's so many. A little. Just there are some little piece, but otherwise it's good. This one, look at that, it has mark. I don't know what happened. Anyways, that's it for my potato harvest. Now in total,
Oh, I don't know.
this how what
20?
more than per.
Wow.
This is 3rd harvest or this one? This one is What are you doing? Just.
A horse.
Yeah.
What? Oh. Oh.
Wait, honey, what is happening here? It's like a forest.
Honey, this one is bushy. Oh, this is the bushier it has ever been, and this is gonna be pink, right? This one is pink, yeah.
And you wanted to put him down.
I didn't. I didn't. Oh, I'm here. And this one is pink. It has pink ears. Look. What happened to this? Why it's like
Oh no, Daddy!
getting the.
Oh no, what is that?
What are you doing? But this one is really like, look at though how many.
Daddy, I did the color patch.
Why this one blooms first?
Daddy! Mommy!
Ta?
Daddy!
Look at that.
So this is like
It's a
a
paper mountain.
bush.
Daddy!
This is more like a tree.
I climbed out of the mountain.
Look at that. So much. It's big. Oh.
And then I can live on the mountain.
It's rich with flowers.
Daddy,
Yeah.
another one. Daddy,
That one is like this and this are the same, right? Oh, our hibiscus has flower now. Yeah, it's this one is much bushy. This one is so it's apple.
They were right. Taste it.
Adam,
They're probably not ripe, totally ripe. Yeah. Try.
I can just grab anything. You mean this is supposed to be a red apple?
Horrible.
The tiniest apple there is. There you go. The tiny apple.
Mommy,
Yes?
Mommy,
Let me taste it.
the orange juice. Mommy, Mommy, the apples.
Sour?
Mommy,
That is sour.
the apples.
Maybe this is that bloody apple.
What's another one?
They're selling it like bloody apple.
It's all yum. Daddy,
I remember like
Mommy, that's
winter apples were like really sour.
Ah, there you go. Oh, that is. Let that alone.
Mommy, I'm scared that I. Hey, Mommy.
Wait, one more.
Mommy.
Kick! Cup! Haraku!
Don't look at me, just focus.
Haraku! Cup! Cup dito!
Dobry. Nice.
Hey, he's looking for baby. What's the problem, mommy?
There's no baby there.
Audrey. No, let's play.
Ta-da!
Hello.
Daddy.
No.
I just went fast. Did you see that?
Yeah.